Hey everybody, good morning, Robb Moffett. Today we're going to make a chicken in the crock pot. Oh, excuse me, chicken in the pressure cooker. It's going to be a lemon herb vegetable chicken. We're going to put it in some parchment paper and we're going to make a bed of vegetables. These are some very thinly sliced carrot, celery, and onion with ground black pepper, little ginger, salt, garlic, Italian seasoning, and most important of all, lots of lemon juice. Initially this was going to be sliced lemon. I didn't have any sliced lemon. I thought maybe I could use just regular lemon juice. So we're going to find out. This is not marinated. This has just been thawed. It was frozen. A couple of inexpensive chicken thighs. Put some more of these veggies on top. I've not made this before, so we'll be learning together. That's not a good sign. I couldn't find my trivet that goes in the pressure cooker, so we'll be experimenting with that also. You can get these little clamps at the dollar store, 10 for $1. They come in pretty handy sometimes for all sorts of things. Now, the crock pot, like I said, I couldn't find my trivet, so I made something. There's about 6 or 7 things you can do. If you can roll up a roll of aluminum foil, you can put in carrots or celery, or you get a little steamer basket that fits in there. But I just put 3 of those canning rings. Got 2 cups of water. And we're going to be cooking it for 12 minutes. And like I said, this is an experiment. I've never done this before, so we'll be learning together. So if you don't see this video, that means it didn't work. Because I hate those videos that people make, so, oh, it didn't work, but here it is anyway. No. Unless some of it didn't work. Sometimes everything doesn't work. Move the camera. Now, once this starts sputtering, I'll turn it on to medium for 12 minutes, and we'll come back and let you know how it come out. Okay, it's been 12 minutes. Let's release the steam and see what we got. Nurse scalpel. Oh my goodness. Looks like we caught it in time. I hope your insurance covers this, Mrs. Hemoglobin. Let's see what we got here. remember in my day, we had spatulas everywhere. Not like today. Huh. Well, people want to know how this tastes. I decided to have a little macaroni and cheese with it. It's tender, but it's not too tender. It didn't turn to mush or anything. I can smell the lemon. It's a good sign. Actually, that has a very nice flavor. It's tender, but chewy also. It's not. It's cooked. It's like it should be, but it has a nice chicken fresh flavor. Let's taste the carrots and vegetables. They're a little bit firm. They're not mushy. And you can taste the lemon. Surprisingly, even the onion and the celery have a little bit of crunch to it. I think this would still be better with a little bit of a sauce. This needs like a little cream sauce or gravy, a little chicken gravy. Yeah, a little chicken gravy over that chicken and even the carrots and onions and celery. Obviously, the best thing would have been potatoes. Potatoes and gravy and chicken. But I'm liking this. Yeah. It went very well. All the flavors came together very well. So guys, if you're looking for a fairly inexpensive meal that is simple, super simple to cook, you just need some parchment paper and your little pressure cooker and some vegetables with lemon and herbs, and you're good to go. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this. I have a playlist of other recipes I've been making for 17 years. A lot of people I feature on my channel down the bottom, no relation to me, they have some pretty cool channels. A couple of them cook, like Chef Buck. If you like my videos, you'll like his even more. And I have a variety channel, new stuff every week, every week. That's 17 years, over 1,500 videos. So go check out my other stuff. And try cooking something in your pressure cooker. And if you don't have a trivet for your pressure cooker, you can use rings. You can use slices of celery. You can roll up aluminum foil. You can use a little tiny steamer basket. There's like 6 or 7 things you can do if you don't have a trivet. All right, guys. Take care. It's been fun. See you out there.